This is Court Price from Amicus MSP. Welcome to our C-Suite Tech Series, where we help you navigate decisions regarding your business technology needs. This week we're going to talk about COVID-19 and some technology that was recently created to help businesses get back to work. No matter what we've been dealing with in our own lives, we've all been going through this pandemic together. While some of us may be enjoying working from home, there are some businesses that just can't function that way. That's where COVID Guard comes in, a new open source app that was created to help businesses get back to work safely and in accordance with state regulations. It runs on the Microsoft 365 platform and is available for both mobile devices and workstations. Because it's open source, it's free to download and use. It can also be customized or branded to your company's needs. It's just a way of giving back to the community during these times where businesses are struggling. So what does it do? Well, at its core, COVID Guard is a check-in app designed to promote a safe environment for your staff and guests. It regulates the flow of people in and out of a location, while the built-in reporting documents the steps you've taken to meet your state's regulations. Social distancing requirements are supported by a capacity rule, which limits the amount of staff or guests that are allowed into an office at any given time. It also walks each person through a series of steps and a temperature check to determine whether or not they've been exposed to COVID-19 or are displaying symptoms. If any of the questions are red flagged, the person is not permitted into the premises. If they're staff, they can be told to contact their HR department as soon as possible. And again, all of this is customizable to meet your business needs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the app. As you can see, the app's been formatted to work with both desktop and mobile devices. Beyond a brief introduction, you do have the check-in button. Further down, you can see the checkout button as well. This will show who is currently in the office, and you can also add some optional news from the company if you like. Let's go ahead and check in. So as you can see, this drop-down menu will allow for multiple locations. So if you do have multiple offices, this is a great fit. The max capacity shows how many people are allowed into the business at any given point, and the available shows how many people can still check in before somebody else has to check out. So if you have a max capacity of 20, and 18 people have already checked in, you're only going to have 2 available slots left. Once you click continue, it's going to check you in at a designated time. This is not manually set. You can enter somebody on their behalf, but this can also be removed through a very simple customization. Once the person checking in has entered their name, they're going to proceed on to the questionnaire. This is to determine whether you've been exposed to COVID or whether you're already displaying COVID-like symptoms. We do recommend that you have a thermometer on site so that the user can check their temperature at the door. If they say no to all of these questions, they should be permitted to check in. There you go. This will take you back to the front page where you can see that John Smith has now checked in. John can go ahead and check out by just clicking the checkout button. Going back to the front page, you can now see that John Smith's no longer on site, freeing up an available spot. If John does answer yes to any of these questions and click submit, he's going to be asked to confirm that he's given accurate information. If he clicks confirm, it's going to be told that he's not permitted on the premises and needs to call the HR for guidance immediately. And as you can see, John's not checked in. If you think COVID Guard could work for your business, you can download the app at amicusmsp.com/COVIDguard. You can also contact us for a more detailed demo of the app and to show you the back-end reporting capabilities. I'll post a link below in the description. If you found this information useful, please share it and comment below. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that bell to make sure you get notified of any new content we have coming out. If you have any questions about the app or technology in general, feel free to reach out to us on our website, amicusmsp.com. This is Court Price with Amicus MSP. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.